When the wireless remote controller runs out of battery, or malfunctions, or is lost, you can use the backup wired remote controller to operate the vehicle. The specific steps are as follows. This is the port for the wired controller. Open. Align the connector with the port. Ensure the alignment marks match with the corresponding marks on the handle's connector. After insertion, tighten the cover. Okay. Now, turn on the switch. The wired controller is now operational. You can move with the vehicle. This is forward.
Pay attention on the operated car, please.
This is reverse.
Pay attention on the operated car, please. Pay
Pressing
attention
forward
on
and
the
left
operated
simultaneously
car. Pay
activates
attention
a
on the
left turn.
operated car, please. Pay attention on the
Pressing
operated
forward
car,
and
please.
right simultaneously
Pay attention
activates
on
a
the
right
operated
turn.
car, please.
The same applies to reverse. Pressing reverse and left activates a left reverse. Pressing reverse and right activates a right reverse.
Pay attention on the operated car, please.
This concludes the use of the wired control handle. To deactivate the wired remote controller, simply press the red master switch. The controller will power off. Then, disconnect the connector. First, unscrew the connector cover. Second, pull it out. Third, reattach the protective cover. Then, turn off the power. Remove the key